Everybody, welcome to Crazy Craft. Okay, today, well, it's not just trying to eat my fish. The TV? I need to do that, I'm sorry. It still works, thank God. Also made some fins. Look at this. Oh my wow, so amazing, man. We also got some more stuff. I don't know, did I make this in a video, but pretty nice. My arm, I lost my boots for tragic accident. We just kinda go hunt somewhere, just go hunting. We're just gonna find boss places, hopefully get nice loot, and hopefully get the best bit of the ore in the game to make the ultimate sword, even though it's not the best sword. Okay, so this is, you need like 9 of that to make one piece, you need other type that, then a bit of iron, then you make the ultimate sword. So I can got a bit for the ultimate sword. But you think, oh, you're really close. No. I only found that once. They're very hard to find. So the easiest way is to find a pyramid looking area. Also has lots of iron there. And lots of also. Today's video we're gonna try and find one, so could have been only the essentials. So we've got fish. Don't lose this fish, okay. That and my bow. And some of my arrows. I don't have a lot of arrows, but that's fine. I really won't be good in the battle, but just to get something to eat. Okay. Right, can I sleep? Thank you. Anyway, I am gonna build the love garden. I'll put all the whoever like the videos or comment, I'll put your channel name down. So it's like a small channel. But if you just do it, you're very likely to. Why's not? That doesn't have to my map here. That's not good. Right, hang on. I completely bullied my map. Okay, that's H. Now I know what that is. Clicking random buttons. Oh, I'm annoyed now. I done something to this. Wait, do that. Oh, no. Whoa. Really like story mode? You know what? I think I just like completely reset my map. Like wherever I've been, I don't know now, but I also set like a coordinates where my house is, so just in case like I die, don't know where my house is, and follow those coordinates. That's also I killed a car. I built it, killed it. It's not really like a proper mod. So it's imitating a horse. But you can also, wait, it's not really fast. Okay, I need to go to a plain old squid. It's faster, but they can't go that low. As you can see, I am much more. Oh, taking damage. Ah, they're dying. Quite a good way to get fish, but we're dying in obvious. Which is probably nice. Oh. Oh, that's just a glitch in the game. That's nothing. It looks like something. It's just nothing. Wait. What was that glass in here? A minute ago. Oh, I think my niece is it. Oh! Oh! Okay. Oh yeah. This is good. I'll break the wall. Wait, do these just fall random? Oh, that's so cool. They don't just spawn, they just fall. Oh, that's cool. Okay, okay, it kind of, because I'm underwater, it won't show where my house is. If I stayed up with my character, would have shown me. Sorry for the black screen for where I am, but it's just sad. Okay. I know this is annoying with the squid. Right. I hope this has no enemies and some ore. A quick way of doing that. So kill everything in the game, just be scrolling forever just to find my character. Okay. I'm not gonna go for that, but us. Oh, is that? That's not sub. That place there. I haven't really checked. I'm gonna check now. Turn into my squiddy form. Less faster, but I can navigate better. Oh, it's so far away. With this fin, it's not really a problem. Well, your base outside, you can just easily see where you've been and easily get to it. I did take a picture of where it is, so just in case we lose it, because this happened in when I used to play this. Okay, almost there. So that's gravity, so you can build a base there. Assuming there's some ores. So, if you try to play this and you can't fly, you need to do some settings. So obviously you get a flying creature, you want to fly, get a water creature, you can obviously swim. Why? Oh, is there? Oh, it's a little baby zombie. That's not really a problem, but I would like to. I remember breaking a. Oh yeah, I broke the hole here. Or if this is the same one. This is all randomly generated. So I'm hoping. Okay, this is not the one that was in. Okay, I changed to human. Hopefully it lets me down. Yep. I can quickly get this. This is books. Okay. This place was good loot. Okay. I want to be quite careful because that would midget zombie. Also, it could be. This could be a good base. Okay. Oh, okay. Oh, oh god. It says on. Oh, it's zombies. Oh, is that? That's not a mask. Okay. Quickly find where the spawner is. Okay, they're not. Those harpoons are nothing. Are they dying? Okay, this is. I wish this was one of my. I've ever got base because I'm protected. It's like bosses like that up there. They can't get me. And for some reason I don't like using the entrances. Okay, wait. Oh, I need that. Roses. Need some lovely jubblies. Oh, I forgot I had a pickaxe to mine this. Take both of them. Are we the same? Okay, let's go. That means goodbye in the language. If you want to know. There's a base thingy up here I'm going to go to. Oh! I just want to check where my house is. Okay, I can see my house. That's good. Oh, I think I know why. Because my house is half underwater. So it doesn't and because I'm in water now, made it all black, so it's probably why. So it's nothing to do with my fear, it's just that you can't do it in water. Because if you did, you could see all those bases like I just found now. Okay. These have really good loot. Right. I'll turn into my humany form. I'm gonna die otherwise from the squiddy. Oh, okay, these things are really rare. These things come with big, good loot, but you could easily die as well. But boom! Look at this. We've got all this good loot. It's genius. Oh, I want to take everything. I'll just break it. Break. Break. Thank you. Oh. I can't really take that much. Ender chest. If you don't know, you need that for... I forgot that happens. Okay, at least we got something for the chest that we need. Because if you don't know, you get that, then chicken bones around. You make a chicken chest that shoots everything. So now that's really good. So carry this. There we go. Right. Sadly, we have just run out of time for this video, and I'll see you all later. Bye.